Hello students, good morning. This is your English class and we are doing chapter 6 Heidi in English Reader. We have done with the reading and explanation of this chapter. So today we're gonna solve exercise A, B and C. Let's see what we have to do in exercise A. We have to tick the correct answer. So here are three options. We have to choose the correct one. Let's see the first sentence. Dash shows Clara the beauty of her world. Who shows Clara the beauty of her world? Options are Heidi, Andete, option C Peter. Option B and C both are wrong. We have option A Heidi as correct answer. Heidi shows Clara the beauty of her world. Heidi Clara को अपना विलेज और वहाँ की जो ब्यूटी है वो शो करती है. Now let's go second sentence is Peter pushes dash down to the valley. Clara, the wheelchair, the stick. Which one is correct? The wheelchair. Option B is correct. Peter pushes the wheelchair down to the valley. Peter ने wheelchair को घाटी से नीचे गिरा दिया था. Correct? So option B is right. Let's move further. Sentence 3. With the support of Peter and Heidi, Clara dash could make efforts to walk, make efforts to roam free on the mountains, moves around a wheelchair. Option B and C both are wrong. Option A is correct. With the support of Peter and Heidi, Clara could make efforts to walk. Means हाइडी और पीटर की हेल्प से उसकी सपोर्ट की वजह से क्लारा कुछ कदम चल पाती है. उसको चलने के लिए वो एफर्ट करती है, मेहनत करती है. ओके. सेंटेंस 4. Andete brings Heidi to the doctor, take care of Clara to take care of her grandfather. Here option B is correct. Do you remember? Andete Heidi को क्लारा के पास लेकर आती है फ्रैंकफर्ट जर्मनी में ताकि वो उसकी देखभाल कर सके. बिकॉज क्लारा यूज टू बी ए पैरालाइज्ड चाइल्ड. वो पैरालाइज्ड होती है, अपंग होती है, वो चल नहीं सकती. तो इसलिए आंडेटे हाइडी को उसके पास लेके आती है. सो विद दिस वी हैव डन एक्सरसाइज ए. लेट्स गो फर्दर एंड सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज बी. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन एक्सरसाइज बी? We have to fill in the blanks. Okay, let's see. The first sentence is Clara wants to see the flowers and is forced to walk. Okay, so right here walk. Okay, right walk like this. Second one, Peter felt an dash throw of these words and a great dash him. Peter felt an inward throw. So write inward throw of these words and a great seized. Write seized as like this. This is D. Okay, seized, sorry, SEIZED. Okay, seized. A great seized him. Next up we have Peter's anguish of mind grew more acute. So write acute like this. Heidi felt sorry for him and answered assuringly. So write assuringly like this. Assuringly. Okay, this is why. I hope you would understand it. Okay, the last one is the supports were rather wobbly. Okay, write wobbly like this. So here we have done with exercise B also. Let's go further and see who said to whom. The first one is I mean what I say. Who said this line? This was said by Heidi. So write Heidi to Peter. Okay, so write Peter. Next up, I am coming and you won't do what you said. It was said by Peter in return to Heidi's talk. So write in the first blank Peter. Okay, Peter to Heidi. Okay, there is no space, so I have to manage somehow. Hope you would understand it. Third one is, you must put your arm well around my neck. This was said by Heidi to Clara. Okay, Clara. So here we have done till sentence third. Let's move further. Fourth sentence is, do you think so? It was said by Clara. Okay, write Clara to Heidi. The last one is, can you really make steps? It was said by Heidi. In excitement, she shouted these words, Heidi to Clara. Okay, so with this we have done exercise C also. I hope you have understood everything. And exercise D, answer the following question, we will be covering in our next class. Okay, so I'll see you next class. Thank you.